Hello everyone, it's 11th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have high intensity explosion in capital, kills at least 9, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have India and China have goodwill towards us, says Sri Lankan Prime Minister, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have saw people being blown into pieces. Eyewitnesses recount trail of horror, again very important for internal security perspective. Then we have IGI airport, metro, government buildings put on high alert, again very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have what is the role of pay commission, again very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have why access to knowledge is crucial for innovation, again very important news. Then we have what happens when public knowledge is created on private infrastructure, again very important news. Moving forward, we have opposition demands thorough probe into shocking explosion near Red Fort, again very important for internal security perspective. Then we have 7 nabbed as J&K police sees 2900 kgs IED making material, again very important for internal security perspective. Then we have J&K police conduct large scale crackdown in 10 districts, nearly 100 people have been detained, again very important for internal security perspective. Then we have Kerala local body polls to be held in 2 phases next month, again very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have in final phase today, Bihar's voter will line up to get fingers inked in 122 seats, again very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have ministry simplifies rules to boost cornea transplant services, again very important for health perspective. Then we have remembering V. Rajaraman, tireless evangelist of computer education in India, again very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have India airlifts 197 citizens rescued from cybercrime centers in South Myanmar, again very important for international relations as well as science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have rural unemployment down, urban joblessness up, finds government survey, again very important for employment perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Trump pardons Giuliani, other accused of overturning to 2020 polls. Then we have an institutional shift towards an open society needs time to take root. Moving forward, we have US Senate deal puts government closer to ending shutdown. And all these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.